Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java in your Windows machine, and we will also install IntelliJ as well. So first I'll open up Chrome browser. Here I'll search for Java JDK download. Go to the first URL. Here scroll down, and as we discussed in the last video, we will be downloading the LTS version. So Java 8 and Java 11 both are LTS. In this we will be downloading Java 8. Under Java 8 I'll click on Windows here. So here you can see there are two installers. One is 32-bit, another one is 64-bit. So we can go to our file explorer. Here we can go to PC, right click, go to properties. Under properties you can find the system type. So you can see system type is 64-bit operating system. So that means we have to download 64-bit installer. So I'll click on here, accept the license, click on download button. Now it will ask me to sign in. So if you have an account already created with Oracle, you can simply use your username, your password, and click on sign in, and it will start downloading. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on create an account. Here you have to fill all the details: your email, your password, first name, last name, your company name, your address. Once everything is done, you have to click on create account. Once your account is created, you can come back to this page, enter your email as your username, enter your password, and click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, your download will start. Second software that we will be downloading is IntelliJ. So I'll open up a new tab and I'll search for IntelliJ IDE download. Here I'll go to first website, and here we will be downloading the community version, which is free. There are two versions, Ultimate and Community. Ultimate is free for 30 days, and after that you have to pay a certain amount of money to use it. Ultimate comes with some other tools as well. So Spring, Java Enterprise Edition tool, HTTP client, JavaScript tool, database. For Community Edition we only get Java, build tools, Git, debugger, and Docker. So for this course we only need to download Community Edition, and we will be using that only. So we can click on download, and here the download will start. So I already have both the softwares downloaded for me. So I'll close this window. So I'll click on File Explorer. Here I'll click on this PC and go to my downloads. Under downloads I have JDK and IntelliJ as well. So first I'll install JDK. I'll double click it. Click on next, and now it will start installing. So I have to click next, and now it has started to install. Here I'll click on next. Here I'll click on close. Now I have to set the path of Java. So Java will be installed in C drive. So we can go there. I can click on this PC, click on C drive, and here under program files you will see a folder has been created, Java. Inside here you will find this is the Java that we installed. So we have to set the path of this Java. So I'll copy this path and I'll search for edit environment, and you will get this option, edit environment variables for your account. You can click on this and you will come to this window. Here you can set the system variables as well. System variables, if you have your own personal desktop, then you can set it. Otherwise, if you are working for a company, it's better you set it under user variables. So you can click on new. Here you have to say Java home, paste the path, click on OK, and then you have to click on path, click on edit, add a new path, and here you have to say Java underscore home %\bin. Click on OK, click on OK, and the reason we set Java bin path is because all the commands are present under bin folder. So you can see Java Java C, Java Doc, Java P, Java H, jar. All these commands are present under bin folder. So now we will verify our Java path as well. So I'll say cmd. I'll open up my command prompt and here I'll search for Java version. You can see Java is coming on my terminal. So now I will close the command prompt. Go to downloads again and now I'll install IntelliJ. Click on next. Here I'll click on next. Click on next, install. Now you can see IntelliJ is also installed. I'll click on this run icon and click on finish. Click on confirm, continue, don't send, and now IntelliJ will open up. So for me it's coming in dark theme. I can change it. I can click on customize. Here I can go to IntelliJ Lite and by default it should look something like this for you.